Hey y'all, what's up? My name is Cameron and you are watching the Fowler Designs channel here on YouTube. For those of you who don't know, I am a branding expert and graphic designer. If you want to learn a little bit more about what I do, you can go ahead and click the little card that's going to pop up here in a minute, and it'll take you to my channel trailer video. So for today's video, we are going to be talking about Mindmeister, specifically the free version, because I'm not exactly ready to be paying for a mind map. The reason why we're talking about this today is because mind mapping is just such a great resource and tool that you can use for planning just about anything. I use it whenever I plan my school papers. I use it whenever I plan out like my poems and my fiction for class. I use it whenever I plan out my projects for branding and for videos and for just about everything. It just really helps me to organize and get focused. I don't know if you're like me, but my mind jumps from one thing to the next to the next to the next, and it really just helps me to kind of focus in on what I need to do, and it helps me get through the day whenever I have a project that I got to plan out. So, this is like the title piece right here. This is what you name. So I'm going to name this, let's see here, YouTube video, right? And what you can do with this is you can now hit enter. And then up here, as you can see, it ended up changing into YouTube video stuff. And so over here, you can click on this and change the different stuff. As you can see, that is now green, but I didn't really like that, so now we're going to go over here. And we're going to go over here, and here you can change like the theme and all of that, and make it look kind of how you want it to look. Personally, I like that because it makes things like easier to kind of organize, because I don't want like everything to be like the same. And here, if you hit background, it'll change the background color. I kind of like the green for some reason. I'm not sure why, but yeah, it's nice. And so now what you can do is you can hit enter on your keyboard, and you hit that twice, and it will bring up like a new like little thing, and you can do something like, let's see, a YouTube video intro. Oops. Sorry, my microphone is kind of in the way of my keyboard. But yeah. So now you have intro, and so if you want to add a new node onto that one, you're going to hit the tab button, or if you want to add a new node onto the original, you're going to hit enter twice as well, and it'll continue going. And so you can hit like the next thing for this. But yeah, so I just kind of wanted to show you all a little bit about that. Over here you can also use like emojis and kind of do that. You can also move these around and kind of make it look different, kind of move stuff around a little bit as you organize better. And yeah, I just thought that I'd kind of share that with y'all. You can also input files. I'm not going to do that yet because I haven't organized my files, and there are some projects under my NDA, that I can't really be showing people. But yeah, so this is just kind of different stuff that you can do with Mindmeister. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It's kind of a short one, but I figured I'd go ahead and get that out, seeing as I'm going to be working on a longer video later in the week that will probably be going up next week. But yeah, if you want to see some more of what I have to offer, go ahead and click the link down in the description box below. And at the end of this video, it will take you to my previous video that's about like 30 minutes long, where I show y'all how I go from a logo in Canva to a logo I transform it in Adobe Illustrator. But yeah, y'all have a great day, and I'll see you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.